video of you saying take a photo.
Take a video. Stop recording.
Give us the pate.
No, I bet it's the same stuff that's in a hot dog. I feel like I'm missing ketchup.
We were just a lot.
It smells like one too.
That's so funny. All right, here we are, walking in Iceland. I'm taking a video. It's called Brick. We're going for some birthday.
There's a dim sum restaurant right here.
Yeah, I do feel the ground.
Going full speed.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
That's funny. See, they should have this from the US
You're such a mom.
Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. I'm doing video, and I got the selfie stick, so I can go like this. Oh, very cool. And everybody can wave. Yeah.
And that's something.
Stop recording.
It's not gonna work from there.
Stop recording.
No, this looks great.
Are all 3 boys in there?
Yeah, all the boys are in the water.
So, but you know what?
Yeah, the shoes are done.
The Westernized, I love the story of the day.
Bones of your growing teeth, not just the baby.
Sure. Alright.
I'll show you from the map.
We've done that one.
Yeah, we don't.
I got it. Oh. Did I get you? Oh yeah, I'm way past you. Like over the snow. There they are. About to take a break. Oh, I just realized I haven't talked in any of these videos. I could be talking. We are, I don't know, close to our first hut stop. Day 1. They want me to stop walking, so I'm gonna stop walking. But the snow is annoying. Rested. Alright, we are resting after what I think, I hope, I pray, was Hill Hill. Holy shit, I can't really see it that great on my camera, but it's awesome. The kids are mean. This is hard. And they're killing it. Okay, gotta go take some pictures while they rest. Bye. Okay, we are still making our way to some hut location I can't pronounce, someplace, but this view is, I don't know if you guys can see it on this because I can't see what you can see. The kids are being amazing troopers. Almost dead. They're dying. Oh, slow death. Stop recording. Stop picturing.
Stop recording. Stop recording.
Alright, we made the worst end. Look at this. Let me see. Let me do this way. Go around me. Can't see the camp. There's a little burst of energy to get through. I fucking did it. I am so impressed with their resilience right now. All downhill. Hey, put your backpack on for real. Okay. We got us hiking too. Hey, everybody say hi. Is Evan back there? I don't even know. Oh yeah, I see him. All right, we are on the super duper last stretch of this first day. Hopefully, we keep being lied to about hills, but otherwise, we're in good spirits and we're ready to take a hot shot. I can't carry you the rest of the way.
Pictures last night, by the way, and my camera doesn't do it justice.
No, I know. All right, second day. We're heading out. Let's see the view. Go like this. I can do. Oh yeah.
Stop recording.
Didn't work. Ha ha ha. There's the group. All right, heading to what was it? Baknar. Baknar. And we'll see if Thor will tell me if I'm right. The kids are great today.
Stop recording.
No, we're not gonna stop. We're singing too. Really fun. Really fun. Gonna get emotional. Get some footage of you guys hiking. Yeah, with that mountain behind you. Like we're hitching a ride across the river. See if they take us. Is it our border? It's not our. Oh, it is our border. Are you gonna hitch us a ride across the river?
Say yes.
I think so. I'll tell you one second. Hold on. I'm gonna do this little. I like doing this little. Let's see what I get. Can't really see it now. I didn't expect the desert, but it's a lot of deserty. You can see it. I think. Beautiful day today. Middle of day 2. We think we're halfway. We have no idea.
We're about halfway.
We're just gonna keep walking. Put 360 on the bridge. Oh, look at that. Okay. Wait till you see this view. Wait till you see it. Wait till you see it. Go this way. Look at that. Am I getting it? I think I am. There we go. Alright, kids are one ahead. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, they're all the way up there. Here's what we're looking at. This is like crazy scenery here. I don't have to get you in it, but I just did. I was just doing a scenery shot. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Oh, bug. That's no. Day 3. Bugs. Day 3. Too many bugs. I was lied to that there are no bugs in Iceland. Lunch break.
Stop recording.
Stop recording. Everyone. Oh, here, let me get Yev's pack. Oh. Yeah. Oh, we're at the top of a mountain and they have service, so we decided to call Dad. Let's see if I get some views here. They're doing great today. Last day, last hurrah, maybe we're thinking 5 miles left. And then showers.
Oh no. Mom. It's 7 o'clock for him.
In the morning.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh yeah, it's 11.
I just have to stop on this hill and show you this view. Look at this. Oh my god. Holy shit.
I'll be dropped in 10 seconds.
No, they're down here.
I
turn around. Like 20 maybe.
20 seconds and I'll turn around.
Have you done that? Oh, wow. Scary. I don't know if it's scary.
These are like
You are not that
chains,
afraid of
and you gotta like